Today's Java question is, with reference to the following program code, answer the following questions that follow. Void play method. Within this, int s equal to 0. While n not equal to 0, within while loop s equal to s into 10 plus n minus n by 10 within bracket into 10, n equal to n by 10. Then finish of end of while loop and system.out.println s will print the value of s. Question number 1. What will be the output of the method play when the value of n equal to 6957? Option A 27, option B 695, option C 5679, option D 7596. Let's check. We can see s equal to 0 here and the given number is 6957. 6957 greater than 0, so it will enter into the while loop. Now the value of s will be, initial value of s 0, so 0 into 10, the value of n 6957 minus n by 10, 6 by dividing 6957 10, we will get quotient 7. We will get quotient 695 and remainder we will get 7. There is 695 into 10. So 6957 minus 6950. So this is the outcome is 7 only. Now within n the value 695. Now the value of n is 695. 695 is also greater than 0. So we will calculate the value of s again. It will enter into the loop and we will calculate the value of s. Previous value of s 7. 7 into 10 minus plus n. The value of n is 695 minus n by 10. 695 by 10. We will get the value. We will get the quotient 69 and remainder 5. That is 69 into 10. So 70 plus 695 minus 690. 70 plus 5. 75. Now n is 69. 69 greater than, of course, 0. So it will enter into the loop. We will calculate the value of s again. So the previous value of s 75 into 10 minus plus n equal to 69 by dividing 69 10, we will get quotient 6 and remainder 9. 6 into 10. So the current value of s is 750 plus 69 minus 60. 750 plus 9. 759. The current value of n is 6. So 6 greater than 0. By dividing 6 10, we will get quotient n by 10 will get 0 and remainder 6. So current value of S will be 759 into 10 plus n n6 minus n by 10, that is 0 into 10. So it will be 7590 plus 6, 7596. Current value of n by 10, that is 0. So 0 not equal to 0, it is false. So the loop will be terminated and the value of S will be printed, that is 7596. Sorry, the final value will be 7596. So option D will be the correct answer. We have entered the value of n 6957 and we are getting the value 7596. Reverse number we are getting here. In question number 2, with reference to the following program code, what is the method play performing? Option A, arranging the digits in ascending order, reversing the number. Option B. Option C, extracting the first 3 numbers. Option D, sum of the digits. Here correct answer will be reversing the number, and this question is in ICSE 2022. Very important question.